I'm getting my letterpress ready to print. We need whey oil. The first spot is the roller arm on both ends. Then the side arm, also on both ends. Next, the crankshaft bearing, and then the rocker bearing, and then the main bearing, main shaft bearing. First the left and now the right side of the main shaft bearing. Then there's a tricky one, the rocker lock follower that has a hole in it. You get it right up there. And next are the rocker lock hinges themselves, where they hinge into the frame. Again, really hidden, hard to see. Next is a throw-off lever hinge and the linkage on one side. Here's the left crankshaft bearing that carries a flywheel. And another hinge point for the throw-off lever. Left side back shaft. Next is a throw-off shaft, first on the left side, then over on the right side. And then the throw-off mechanism itself. Some sliding parts there. And then where the throw-off connection meets the throw-off saddle. And next the inner back shaft journal, first on the left side, then over on the right-hand side. Next where the throw-off pin connects to the main frame, first left and right. And then the main frame bed hinge at the bottom where it meets the frame. Next the disc lever hinge, the pawl itself, and the disc. Next we go to the back shaft on the right-hand side, the outer one, and then the sidearm oil hole right beside. Then the right-hand rocker bearing, and the right side crankshaft journal. Then the other side of the right-hand sidearm. Next are the roller saddle bearings, first the double one, then the single one, and then that little pin on the side. And then we go over to the other side, right-hand side, do the same thing. I also give a drip right into the hook itself. Then I forgot the disc lever roller and a squirt full of roller surface. Next the gripper bar bearing, and exercise it a few times, then over on the other side. Then the gripper cam follower, and on the bottom the gripper bar bearing. That does it for the oiling in my machine. If it's done right, there should be a bunch of oil in the drip tray. On my machine I decided to use lubriplate rather than oiling the saddle springs and the main pinion and main gear, and also the chase hook spring. After the oiling is complete, it's good to exercise the machine up and down a few times, and it's really amazing how much easier it is to pump after just a few strokes. Now she's ready to print.